What's up everybody, it's your girl Yanni. I'm back with another video. Today you guys are going to be seeing me put together this makeup look right here for you guys. So stay tuned. I hope you guys all really enjoy this video. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe for me. Why are you not subscribed? But yeah, please make sure that you subscribe, and I hope that you guys like this video. Let's get started. I've already done my foundation, and now I'm just gonna add some concealer. I want this to be pretty quick, and I also want to focus on this little eye look I'm gonna do. It's gonna be pretty kind of girly and pink. You guys know that I'm using this LA Pro Girl in the color Toffee. Then of course you know we have to blend that out, so let's do that. After that, you know, I gotta take my little powder for my under eyes and the color Toffee as well, which just blends really well. I'll put that everywhere because, you know, not everywhere, but in the places that I use the concealer. And then I told you guys I put sometimes on my eyebrows. This is looking pretty good to me. I'm trying to make sure that I do better by putting the brush away when I'm finished using it. But now I'm gonna take my loose finishing powder. Gotta bang on it a couple, like, I have a new one, right? But I realized this one really wasn't empty and still had a lot of powder in there. I'm trying to use the powder without opening another one because I feel like I probably do that with a lot of powders. I just be throwing away. I don't use the whole thing. So I'm trying to not do that because it's very wasteful. Okay, so we'll take this powder. Ooh, it's kind of a lot. I'm gonna blend this in. I feel like sometimes I use a lot in one area, but I spread it out and I don't typically go back into the powder. Like I make it spread. After that, we take our MAC Studio Fix Finish. We take that and then, you know, get this contour together. I feel like that's probably enough. Ooh! Alright, and then a little bit up here, then some on my nose. I'm so happy. Like, I keep smiling because I'm literally so happy to be like seeing my makeup come together, and I'm not even done. Alright, so it's time to take that powder, the loose finishing powder, and you know I'm gonna put all the products below in the description. I'm gonna take that loose finishing powder and I'm gonna carve out, you know, that structure in my face. It's kind of low. There we go. Alright, cool. I'm so excited. Okay. We are going to add some blush and just set it on there. Oh, this be looking so good to me. I don't know why, it just does. I think I need a little bit more orange. Summer. And then get some on the nose here. I'm really being so extra, but this is kind of cute. Okay, I think I'm done with that. I want to dust off that. Yeah, y'all, I don't leave that to sit for a while. Like, how long do y'all leave this to sit if you actually do this part? How long do you leave it to sit? Because I really don't let it sit for a long amount of time. I just feel like that would be kind of unnecessary, but, or maybe because it's just the powder that I use, I'm not sure, but I just don't feel like it needs to sit for a long time. All about the blending, all about it. Oh, good, that's so good. Okay, because I really be getting excited. But now finally we're gonna get to the eyeshadow part. This is kind of like inspired by, like, I want to say a look that Kylie did. I think she put out one of her eyeshadow collections. I didn't get it, but you can still create that look with your eyeshadow palette. I don't know which one that you guys have, but we're gonna try to do something kind of similar. I'm gonna put the picture up there so that you guys can see which look I'm talking about, and then yeah, we're just gonna do that. But I need the fluffy brush to start with. I know that. I think I'm gonna start, so I'm gonna use the Morphe palette, the James Charles one. And I'm going to start with Mary, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna start with Mary. And I'm gonna take that kind of up here. Yeah. Just so that I feel like the color that she used, or at least on her skin tone, that it kind of showed up this way. And I was worried that this color might show up a little too like harsh, but it's not. So yeah, I'm gonna take Mary. I feel like if it does show up like too pink, then I would try to blend it out with Punch Me, so that it's just a little bit more, I don't know, neutral. And then it's just not, I just don't want it to be super pink, but on my skin tone, I don't think it's gonna look very super pink. And it doesn't right now. So we're gonna keep rocking with that color. Maybe later it might, and if it does, then like I said, I'll fix it. So yeah. So focus. I feel like that's pretty good enough for that. It's not like a hard look, it's actually pretty simple. And then after that, I'm gonna take that same brush, well not that brush, but I'm gonna use that like pointed pencil brush that I used for the orange look. If you haven't seen the orange look, I'm gonna put it up there for you guys. I don't know which side. I'm gonna put it as a card for you guys so you can see it. But yeah, so the next color I'm gonna take is gonna be the Hello. And it's a sparkly blue. So I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna put it like in the inner crease. That's what the blue is. I don't think they use a sparkly blue, but I think it's like a little matte blue, but I'm gonna use this because this is what I have for that. It's already showing up, wow, it's already showing up really good. Okay. I kind of want to be careful with the sparkly color though, because if any fallout, like this kind of creates sparkles on my face, I don't really care for that, but. So I think that's really pretty, that's enough. That's kind of a lot, but I feel like, you know, I wanted to stand out, so that's because I wanted to stand out, I kind of wanted to be like that much and not any more than that. I feel like the color shows up really well. I've used this color before, it's not my first time or anything, but I really like this Hello color. If you notice, I'll go a little further up at the top and I'll stop kind of short at the bottom, just a little shorter at the bottom, because I don't like for there to be a lot of eyeshadow down here, but yeah. All right, I'm thinking that this pink is maybe a smidge, just a smidge too pink for me, so I'm gonna take the Punch Me color and I'm gonna add that just to kind of make it a little more, yeah, I don't know. You see how it's just not as pink? Almost looks like it takes the pink away, but not. It's just these two colors together, I think. I thought we're gonna make like a pretty cool close to how her look was. And then also she used eyeliner, so I'm gonna use eyeliner. Hopefully I'm not too low for you guys today. So I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild eyeliner, the black eyeliner that I like, and I'm gonna do that. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I don't even breathe when I'm doing my eyeliner. I can't even talk to you guys when I'm doing my eyeliner. It's too much. But yeah. Well, I feel like I wasn't so low for you guys this time. I'm so happy. Alright, now I'm gonna do the other eye. Well, I don't know, that eyeliner just gives me anxiety. So I'm just kind of happy to be done with that. This look is coming together though pretty good. It's just this blue is kind of throwing me off. I'm not used to wearing blue eyeshadow. So it just kind of throws me off a little bit. But I mean, not bad, not bad. I just think that, you know, I don't know. When I wear different colors, but I'm trying to wear different colors, but when I wear different colors, it feels weird until everything was already put together. And then after everything is put together, then I tend to love it. So, and then there's that, I don't know. Now that we've got some mascara on, I'm gonna put the eyelashes on. I'm gonna do that off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I got eyelashes on. Ooh. Alright, so the next thing I need to do is my bottom lashes. Yeah, I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. And you guys know I just used a little primer. While I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna do my lip. I'm gonna use the MAC Chestnut lip pencil. And I'll take the Stila Stay All Day in Patina. I know you guys thought I was gonna say Dolce, but no, I'm using Patina. This is actually really like pink, but that's why I used a lip liner and kind of a lot of it, so I can just, you know, blend it out a little bit. It's gonna kind of look like a little bit like how it does now, but not. You see how pink that is? I'm just finished. It's really pink. It's almost, ooh! See? It's almost how scary. It's almost scary how it looks, but what we're gonna do to blend this in, because it looks crazy. I'm gonna get it together, don't y'all worry. Take a little Q-tip and you're gonna blend it out. You know what, I'm glad I kind of messed it up a little bit so y'all can see how I fix it, because I used too much and now I have to go in with the lip liner again and just kind of tone it down and just re-blend it out. Oh, that's way better. That is way better. Okay. Because it was looking kind of crazy. I feel like this color makes my lips look big. Okay, yeah, that looks good. This is so cute. I just gotta do my hair real fast. But this is so cute. I would leave this little bandana on, walk out like this. This is cute. Oh my gosh. No, let me do my hair real fast. I'm gonna be right back. All right, so this is the finished look. I, you know, just took down my hair and tried to straighten it a little bit. But yeah, this is the finished look. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this look. Again, I'm gonna put the picture up so that you guys can see the look that I was going for and that I had in mind. If you have any suggestions that you would like to see in future videos, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to try to get it out as soon as I can. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Keep coming back. I promise I'm doing fun things. I'm getting more videos out. I am just on a different level, but I wanted to get a lot of summer looks out, so you know, stay tuned for that. I have some more try on hauls coming, and yeah, you guys just gotta stay tuned. But make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a comment, and always give this video a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye.